Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to San Nicolò Luxury Real Estate. I'm Natasha, Elfring d'Aragona, and today I have the honor to show you this amazing historical villa situated in the hills around Florence. This area is called Poggio Imperiale, and we're only 10 minutes away from the heart of the city center and the international school. First of all, I would love to tell you about this well-manicured garden and show you around. See all these beautiful details, greenery and plants, and all the attention that the owners give to this garden. I want to tell you something about this particular tree that has been here since 2 centuries. This tree is called catalpa tree, also cigar tree, as of its particular shape of leaves that grow on it. So now we're in springtime, but in May, this tree becomes totally white with beautiful flowers. And in January, parrots and birds come and emigrate and go and play on the street. That gives an amazing scenery. Walking through the garden, which has been enriched with beautiful statues, we have this amazing swimming pool, totally made out of pietra serena. That gives this antique flavor and also this blue grayish shade to the swimming pool. A perfect blend of modern comfort and historical features. So now we've come to the most important part of the garden. That is this unique masterpiece built by Bernardo Buontalenti, well known to be at service of the Medici family. He was commissioned to many works as the decorations in Palazzo Pitti, Boboli Gardens, Palazzo Biancacapello, and many more. This unique work of art is priceless, and just imagine having this in your own garden. From this side of the garden, we have this covered entertainment space. It has a fully equipped kitchen, so we can cook for friends and family and sit up to 12 people easily. This large table is perfect to entertain a crowd, to have an aperitivo, wine and dine, and just have la dolce vita. Entering in the villa, we have this amazing reception room with this big fireplace, totally made out of stone. This impressive piece used to be placed on the first floor, but then was taken down to make the room even more impressive. Look at all these details, these wooden floors we have. We have underneath floor heating throughout the house. Vaulted ceilings. Look at all these decorations made again by Buontalenti, recalling the fountain that we saw outside before. All these details enrich and give this modern vibe to historical features, maintaining its original flavor and style. Talking about technology, we have a little trick. we enter into this stunning but still cozy dining room. We have this long wooden table where we can host up to 10 people and really entertain, have nice dinners. Look at these walls. These walls are particular. This stone is a sandstone, a yellowish sandstone called pietra arenaria. The doors that we find here that now are used for cupboards are originally from the villa. Look at all these artworks, all these special touches that make this ambient such a beautiful place. So all the spaces I've showed you open up to the outside. Also from the kitchen we have an entrance, making it feel very nice and airy. So we have this fully equipped, beautiful kitchen, modern though with rustic touches. It has gas fire pits and these beautiful marble countertops, a double sink where we have drinking water and sparkling water. From this landing area, we can go up and see the rest of the house. Coming up to this floor, we enter in this beautiful living area with high covered ceilings and a beautiful view on the greenery. Also, we have this marble fireplace. From this staircase, we go up to a wooden beamed mansard where we find the third bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. Now I'll take you to this area that is entirely used as wardrobes, hers and his wardrobes. Please come with me. Through this area we have wardrobes, an ensuite bathroom, and here is our primary bedroom. As you see, it's a real gem as it also has covered ceilings, wooden beams, all the boiserie and beautiful views on the greenery. I really hope that you liked today's showing as much as I did. Please leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, and arrivederci from San Niccolò Luxury Real Estate.